All right, example 10 says, suppose that A and B are events. We know that the probability of A is 0.7, the probability of B is 0.5, probability of A intersect B is 0.3. Calculate the probability of A complement. All right, so the probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus the probability of A. Do you agree? So this is equal to 1 minus 3/10, which is 7/10. Well, y'all should know already, I'm not a big fan of decimals, so I try to avoid them when I can. The probability, B is asking for the probability of A union B. The probability of A union B is equal to? Oh, all right. It's not shaky, it's just wrong. All right. Sometimes my brain gets ahead of me. It is a thing that happens to genius people. Brain get ahead here. Says that 3/10. Am I correct? Good. Probability of A union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. Do we have everybody up so? This is what 7/10 plus 1/2 minus 3/10. So this looks like what? 12/10 minus 3/10. Did they all get 9/10? Now for C, the probability of A condition B, the probability of A condition B is equal to the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. So this would be 3/10 divide by divide by a half. 3/10 divided by a half. Yeah, which is equal to 3/10 times 2/1. Do you have 3/5? Now 3/5 is the same as saying 0.6. All right, let's move on to B. Sorry, to 11. All right, so in 11, we are told that A and B are events such that the probability of A union B is equal to 0.8. The probability of A intersect B is equal to 0.3. And the probability of A condition B is equal to 0.7. We're to find the probability of A. All right, we're going to do that now. All right, I'm going to use the A union B formula. But in order to do that, I need at least the probability of B. Now, the probability of A condition B is equal to the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B. Therefore, the probability of B is equal to the probability of A intersect B divided by the probability of A condition B. This would be A intersect B is what? 3/10 divided by 7/10. So this looks like 3/7. Now, the probability of A union B is the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersect B. Let's put in what we know. This is 8/10. This is, we don't know. Plus this is 3/7 minus A intersect B, which is what, 3/10. So the probability of A would be equal to 8/10 plus 3/10 minus 3/7. This is 11/10 minus 3/10, over 7. This is 70. 77 minus 30. This is 47/70. So that's the probability of A. Now the probability of B complement, well, that's not hard. The probability of B complement is equal to 1 minus the probability of B, which is 1 minus 3/7. So this is 4/7.